Hi all, once more back with our 150 days task challenge. So before that I was speaking about South Korea as a tourist. If you visit South Korea, what are the things you must see. So you can go back to my previous videos to check that. And basically why I want you to know about each country when you want to go as a student is because before going to that country you must know the pattern of that country, their culture, their heritage, their way of living, their food, their entertainment, and also their career. So today I will tell you in short about the tourism part. Tomorrow I will tell you about the career on the 17th day. So as far as I spoke about the culture and heritage, the next important thing is when they maintain their heritage and the same place, they also are, great builders, great architects. The world's fifth highest skyscraper is in South Korea. Technologically also they are very much ahead. In fact, they are hand in hand with many rich technology, means the countries with lots of resources. They walk hand in hand with them as far as technology is concerned. Samsung, Kia, Hyundai, they all have their offices there. And tomorrow when I speak about the career, I will tell you what all careers are the best in South Korea. And all of you know about the K-pop music, K-pop stars. I cannot promise you that if you go with a course that you will become a K-pop star, but going to that country where they are there, you can at least see them. That's the dream of so many youngsters. And I am also very fond of the K-pop music. They are, I think, too good, their performance on stage. So you go to that country of K-pop, and there are also many other K-pop programs like K-pop beauty, K-pop art. So at the bachelor level you can do those programs. And also cuisine wise, they have their famous street markets, where you can get all their local cuisines. And the whole day long you can just go to each shop and taste the stews, the salads, the soups, the noodles. They are unique. They are Asian and they are unique. And their kimchi salad is famous here also, all over India now. In fact, all around the world you can taste it here. But the one kimchi which you get in South Korea is totally different. So then South Korean, skincare and beauty, makeups, the skincare routine. I think they have a 7 steps of skincare or 9 steps. And so many students, they want to go there and learn the makeup. So skincare is also another unique part of South Korea. And they are very hospitality wise. I think they are very warm people. Their hospitality is 100% towards international students. They give scholarship opportunities, and that's why I'm conducting one more workshop on these scholarships, GK scholarships and all the other scholarships. Before the pandemic, the scholarship system was very different. For each thing they had a scholarship, but now it's quite restricted. Even the courses are restricted. So you must enter my workshop. So as a mentor, as a coach, I will guide you through what is best for you. Then it is up to you to decide whether you want to go as a student or not. The registration link, the inquiry link is given in your inbox, so that you can inquire for the scholarship. Is on the workshop is on 4th. And rest, it is up to you whether you want to go as a tourist or you want to go as a student. The choice is yours. Thank you so much. And tomorrow I'm going to speak about the careers in South Korea.